morning guys, this is how to use AI Elsa. Go to the Play Store and search AI Elsa or AI Speak. And wait lang po natin hanggang matapos ang download. Konting patient lang. And yes, installing. Open na po natin. Pag na-open na po natin, is magpipili ka lang kung saan mo gusto mag-download, Facebook or